Okay, how many time to turn the steering wheel when you're doing your 3-point turn, and also in what direction you signal when you're making the turn. All right, so this is gonna be very simple. Now, when you're doing your 3-point turn, you're gonna have to signal. Some will say 3 times. That's for the 3-point turn itself, but each direction you turn in the steering wheel, you're supposed to signal that direction. So basically, when you're doing the 3-point turn, you're gonna be turning the wheel to the right. You're gonna signal to the right. You're gonna turn the wheel to the left. You're gonna signal to the left, and you're gonna turn the wheel back again to the right. You're gonna signal to the right. Those are for the 3-point turn itself. So for the 3-point turn part, you will be turning the steering wheel 3 times. Now, before you get to the 3-point turn, you must signal your intention to show that you're ready to pull over to do that 3-point turn. All right, many students tend to just pull over when they're doing the 3-point turn without signaling, and that's not acceptable, right? For instance, let's say we're gonna do a 3-point turn up the block. Before doing the 3-point turn, you're gonna have to signal to the right, you do mirror and shoulder, then pull over to do your 3-point turn. That's signaling number 1. So in all, when you're doing your 3-point turn, you're gonna have to signal 4 times to complete all your signaling for the 3-point turn. Now here's what's up. For the turning wheel will be turned in the direction you will be going each time, each part of the 3-point turn. What do I mean by that? First part of your 3-point turn gonna be to the left, because all the 3-point turn begin on the right side of the road, not on the left side of the road. So you're gonna signal all the way to, you're gonna turn the wheel all the way to the left. We've already explained the signaling. Then you're gonna turn the wheel all the way over to the right. We already explained the signaling. Then you're gonna turn the wheel back again all the way over to the left. Those are the way that not only you set up for the 3-point turn, and also you know where to signaling, and you know your verification on the 3-point turn. It is very important that you do those things, because if you're not signaling your intention on the side that you're gonna be going, if there is any traffic for whatsoever that go in your direction, they will not know what are you doing as you're performing the 3-point turn, right? So as you know, you must always signal all your intention at all the time when you going on any direction contrary to going straight. All right, there you have it, folks. These are the three position that you're gonna have to turn the steering wheel when you're doing your 3-point turn, and these are also the many times you will have to signaling. A quick recap: we will be signaling 4 times in total as you're performing your 3-point turn. All right, so if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can do so by hitting the subscribe button, and also ring the bell notification so you will be notified each time that we drop a video that will be very beneficial for you. Until then, keep practicing.